morning, students. How are you? Fine? Okay. Today we will discuss articles. Yes, article was left. We did not do that. So today we will do this. That is called articles. All right? Articles. This is the most important chapter. Listen, in this chapter, we will study two types of articles. The first is indefinite articles. Indefinite. And the next is definite articles. Clear? There are two types of articles. The first is indefinite articles. The second is definite articles. Clear? So far as indefinite articles is concerned, we will study in this portion only two. They are A and AN. So far as this particular articles, this type is articles is concerned, we will study only the. In indefinite we will study A and AN, and in definite articles we will study the. I think it's clear now. Any objection? Once again I repeat, we are going to study articles today. The articles is divided into two parts. The first is indefinite and the second is definite articles. Under this indefinite articles we will study A and AN, and under this definite articles we will study only the. Okay? Now come to this one. A. Where we will use A? I am talking about this one. This is a pen. Yes. We will use A before the countable nouns. Countable nouns. Now here one more term is comes up. Countable means the noun, the thing that can be counted. You can count them 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay. So here pen you can count 1 pen, 2 pen, 3 pen, 4, 5 pen. So such type of noun is called countable noun. So before countable noun we will use A article. Okay. This denotes that the number of pen is only 1. Another one is, this is a pen. That is a bag. Again here countable noun. Just before the countable noun we will use this A. Because here the consonant comes out. In the beginning of the word, consonant is found. So if the consonant is found out, then we will use A. And suppose if the voice of vowel comes out just in the beginning of the countable noun, will you use A? No. Then you will use N in place of A. In this way, now tell me, how can you fill in the blanks, You will have to select between these two, A and N. Will you use A here? No. If you use A, then the sentence will be wrong. Here what I see, the voice of vowel comes up in the beginning of the word. Orange. O is one of the vowels. As you know, the vowels are A, I, E, O and U. These five are known as vowels. So what I see, this sound, O sound is found in the beginning of the word. That's why we will have to use this one, N. If I use A in place of N, then the sentence will be wrong. So, before the countable noun, if the vowel comes up, then you will have to use N. Now here what I see, I have given you the blank, you will have to fill up this. He is honest man. Now but what I see, in the beginning of this sentence, this word, I wrote H. But here H is silent, O will be pronounced. So this, you will have to pronounce it in this way. He is an honest man. He is honest man. So before this we will have to use, if I use A, then the sentence will be wrong. If I use N, then the sentence will be correct. Is it clear? That's why here we will use here N in place of A.
सर हिंदी में repeat
बता रहा हूँ. He is an honest, he is honest man. हमने ब्लैंक्स दिया यहाँ पर, आपको दो चीज मैंने दिया, A और N इसमें लिखने के लिए. हम अगर इसमें A का प्रयोग करते हैं तो ये गलत हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आप A तो दे रहे हैं H को देखते हुए, लेकिन इसका साउंड जो है ऑनेस्ट बोला जाता है इसको, और O साउंड यहाँ आर्टिकल्स में आ रहा है. तो यदि वॉवेल्स में आ रहा है, तो यदि वॉवेल्स वाला साउंड यदि आता है किसी पांच में से कोई एक पहले, तो उसको आगे हम लोग N का प्रयोग करते हैं, A का नहीं. हमने पहले के सेंटेंस में भी यही कहा था, क्योंकि यहाँ O था इसलिए हमने N दिया. O साउंड आ रहा था, यहाँ भी O साउंड आ रहा है, लेकिन स्पेलिंग में H दिया जाता है, इसलिए हम यहाँ N का प्रयोग करेंगे. यदि A का प्रयोग करेंगे तो गलत हो जाएगा. आई थिंक इट्स क्लियर नाउ. ओके, नाउ कम टू दिस वन, the articles. If I am going to assert on a particular word, emphasize on a particular word, then we will use the before that. जब हम कोई एक वस्तु के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और उसी चीज को हमने पर देना है, तो उसके आगे हम दी करते हैं. जैसे I threw the pen which I got yesterday. Here what I see, before pen we should write A, because pen is the countable noun, but here I wrote the in place of A, because I throw the same pen. I threw the same pen that I got yesterday. So in order to specify the pen, I used the before the word pen. I made it special by putting this one. I threw the pen that I got yesterday. I did not throw the pen that I got 2 days ago, 3 days ago. but I threw the pen that I got yesterday only. This is the difference. In order to specify the pen, we use this the. Second point, we use the before the things that is only one in the world. Okay. I saw the sun rising in the east. Here I put the in place of sun. In fact, sun is only one. I can write here A, but I did not write A. I wrote the. Why? Because sun is only one in this world. And I specified this. That's why I saw the sun rising in the east. Clear?
सर हिंदी में repeat करें।
मैंने सूर्य को देखा जो पूर्व दिशा में उग रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो दुनिया में सूर्य अकेले हैं। संसार की वैसी चीजें जो अकेली हैं उनके आगे हम लोग दी का प्रयोग करते हैं। कोई दिक्कत?
सर फर्स्ट वाला में पेन के आगे बदल।
हाँ, इसमें है मैंने उसी पेन को फेंका जो उसको मैंने कल पाया था। ऐसा नहीं कि हमने उस पेन को फेंका जो 2 दिन 3 दिन पहले पाया था। नहीं, मैंने उसी पेन को फेंका जो हमने कल पाया था। तो उस पेन को स्पेसिफाई करने के लिए हमने दी का प्रयोग किया। तो दी का प्रयोग उस विशेष चीज के आगे लगाया जाता है डिनोट करने के लिए। दी का प्रयोग संसार की अकेली वस्तु के आगे लगाया जाता है। दी का प्रयोग जो है किताबों के बड़े बड़े ग्रंथों के आगे लगाया जाता है। दी का प्रयोग जो है ग्रहों के आगे लगाया जाता है। ठीक है, तो इस तरह से आर्टिकल्स जो है हम लोगों ने आर्टिकल्स का प्रयोग सीख लिया। Once again, I am going to repeat this. In this particular chapter, articles we will have to study by dividing it into 2 parts. The first is indefinite articles. The second is definite articles. In this portion, we will study A and N. In this portion, we will study only the. A is put before the countable noun. N is put before the countable noun, but the sound of the first word of the noun must be vowel sound. Here the the is used as soon as in order to specify the particular noun and the things which are only one in this world. Before the name of that particular thing, we will use the name of the book. Before the name of the book, we use the. Before the name of the earth and different planets, we use the. So, in this way, I think we have done it. If you have any problem, then you can ask. I can go again, repeat it. I can again explain it. I think you have got it. Any objection? Any doubt? Satisfied? Okay, thank you. See you in the next class.